Is your device paused on your Xfinity network and you are unsure how to unpause it? Don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to unpause a device using a Xfinity app. First, open the Xfinity app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign in with your Xfinity credentials. Then, once you are in the app, tap on the Connect tab and look at it at the bottom of the screen. This section displays all devices connected to your network. Scroll to the list to find the device that paused. Paused devices are typically labeled accordingly. Tap on the paused device to open its settings. Then tap the Unpause button to restore its access to the network. After unpausing the device's status should change to connected, indicating it now has access to the internet. And that's it. You have successfully unpaused your device on the Xfinity network. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.